Computer multiple choice question and answer in English and Kannada. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 1ರಿಂದ 25 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಭಾಗ 2 ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 26ರಿಂದ 50ರವರೆಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಟ್ಟು 25 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳಿವೆ. ಇವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾತ್ಮಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉಪಯುಕ್ತದಾಯಕವಾಗಿವೆ. ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. Question: dash dash is the component of MS Word window. Option: menu bar, cursor, vertical and horizontal rulers, and all of these. Right answer is all of these. Next question: to insert a table in MS Word, we have to click on dash dash menu. Option: insert menu, table menu, view menu, tools menu. Right answer is insert menu. Question: when you save a document for the first time, you have to click at option: save, save as, rename, close. Right answer is save as. Next question: pick the odd one out. Option: font, size, print, bold. Right answer: print. Question: we can save dash dash documents with the same name in same folder. Option: 3, 2, 4 and none of these. Right answer is none of these. Question: hotkey for pasting the text in Word documents is option: Control plus V, Control plus P, Control plus X and Control plus C. Right answer is Control plus V. Question: when an operation is carried out by mistake, dash dash option of MS Word is used to restore the original text. Option: redo, undo, find and replace and spelling and grammar. Right answer is undo. Header and footer is inserted in the document using dash dash menu of MS Word. Option: view, insert, format and edit. Right answer is view. Question: basic method for manipulating table in MS Word are dash dash. Option: sort the data, merge cells, split cell and all. Right answer is all. Question: justifies yani alignment means dash dash. Option: text by right side only aligning, text by left side only aligning, text by both right and left side and none of the above. Right answer is text by both right and left side. Question: which of the following shortcut key is used check spelling and grammar? Option: F1, F2, F7 and F9. Right answer is F7. Question: MS Excel is called dash dash. Option: electronic spreadsheet, DBMS, RDBMS and none of these above. Right answer is electronic spreadsheet. Question: MS Excel files have the extension dash dash. Option: .xls, .xlw, .xlc and none of these. Right answer .xls. Question: in MS Excel the range from A1 to A7 will be denoted as option: A1, A7, A1 colon A7, A1 apostrophe A7 and A1 dash A7. Right answer is A1 colon A7. Question: in MS Excel, the rows are specified by option A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, first, second, third, fourth, and W, X, Y, Z. Right answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. Question: in MS Excel, the fact gives dash dash. Option: exponential, factorial, mode, and none of the above. Right answer is factorial. Question: the charts which are available in MS Excel are dash dash. Option: area line, bar pie, column radar, and all of the above. Right answer: all of the above. Question: there are dash dash columns in one worksheet. Option: 65,536, 9,999, 256, and 999. Right answer is 256. Question: not function is an example for dash dash. Option: logical function, text function, date and time function, and financial function. Right answer is logical function. Next question: this icon is used to option print, print preview, new, and open. Right answer is open. How many characters can be typed in single cell in Excel? Option: 256, 1024, 32,000, 65,535. Right answer is 65,535. Question: count function is example for option: logical function, statistical function, mathematical function, and financial function. Right answer is mathematical function. Question: in MS Excel, we can insert dash dash. Option: chart, picture, both A and B, and none of the above. Answer: both A and B. Question: in MS PowerPoint, formatting toolbar is not available in dash dash. Option: slide view, outline view, slide shorter view, and note view. Right answer is note view. Question: to add a new slide in MS PowerPoint dash dash. Option: click the new slide button on the toolbar, select file new command, select insert new slide command, and both A and C. Right answer is click the new slide button on the toolbar. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆದ ಭಾಗ 3 ರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗೋಣ.